Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
My name is Richard.
Hey, Richard. Thank you for taking our call today. Richard, my wife and I are interested in these roller stops that we saw you discussing on your video. We've determined that we need a straight one because our conflicting doors are, we have a left opening door and a right opening door, and the hinges converge in the corner, if you will. But, Richard, how do I determine what length of roller stop I need?
I would, first I'd write down in my mind on a piece of paper the sizes that are available in terms of straight, and then I would put the doors into a position of conflict, and then I would measure the distance between those two.
Exactly, and measure the distance between the doors when they're in conflict, making sure that it's a door that enters from the outside and then a door that goes into the basement. So I want to make sure that my outside entering door can fully open, right?
Well, you want to, I mean, the straight roller stop is not going to make sure that a door can fully open.
No, but I'm thinking if my straight roller stop is too long, if I use a 6-inch where I should use a 3-inch, then I'm impeding the door fully opening by 3 inches. Am I thinking about that right? Maybe.
I mean, if you're restricted to, you know, if there's something that's going to limit the ultimate degree of open of both doors, then I would say yes. Yes, Richard. Okay, and then, Richard, does it matter which of the conflicting doors I mount the roller stop on, or do I have the option of mounting it on either? I don't see why it would matter which door you install it on. That's what I'm thinking too.
As the door swings at a different... I'm asking you a question because you'll understand it. It either is 7 or it could be 2 or it could be 4, depending where it is in the swing.
Yeah. So here's something else, Rich. You know how the doors are hinged in the corner? So when one door is fully open and one door is closed, then the one door sticks out further than the other door by like 7 inches. And then when they're closed all the way the other way, the other door sort of sticks out 7 inches or so. Do you know what I mean, Richard, when they're swung all the way each way?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so then I have to determine where on the door to mount the roller to so that when it's at its maximum opening, that it comes in contact with the conflicting door as well, correct?
Well, yeah, but be mindful that's going to limit the unit's effectiveness. Plus, straight or curved roller bumpers are not meant to cure all of the potential possibilities.
Yeah, just 95% of them.
So hi Richard, this is Delene. I'm the one that found the product. What I'm finding overwhelming is how do I narrow down my choice of which straight one to buy? Because right now I'm looking at pages of straight. How can I go straight in and go narrow my search for these are my options?
Well, I would first select the manufacturer, and then I would select the model. Well, first of all, what length do you need?
That's why we're calling.
Well,
the doors are when one door is open and it's touching the other one. We've got about a 7-inch distance between the two doors.
And what are your two options in terms of length?
That's what I'm trying to determine.
Yeah, well, we see they go everywhere from like 3-inch to 6-inch, Richard. So that's just what we're trying to determine how we decide on what the appropriate length for our use is.
Put the doors into conflict and then measure what would be most appropriate to cure that.
Yes.
So right now the picture shows 7 inches with cure.
No, that's
I
not what he's talking about.
The distance between the two doors.
Got it. Yeah.
Perfect.
Richard, I think we have all the information. After speaking with you, we're clear on what we need to do. Basically, we just need to figure out what finish we want now and what length.
Yeah, I mean, I'd probably do the Rockwood 456L, and then whatever finish you want it in.
Yes, that's the one I wrote down, actually, a 456. And what does the L denote, Richard? I didn't see the L.
It's for the longer version.
Okay. Yep. Lovely. Richard, thank you very much. We appreciate your information. That helped guide us in the right direction.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye now.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.